Today we are going to be fixing the Pixel 3a screen. We have the iFixit repair kit, which has an OEM OLED screen. We have our opening picks. This looks like it's going to be all of the tools needed to replace this. And then this is the screen itself. This kit was $100 and it gives you all OEM replaceable parts. There are cheaper options, but I just went with the iFixit, just getting the brand that I know. So let's get into it. Here we go. I've got the heat applied. I preheated this side. I am able to slide through. I'm making sure to stay pretty close to the edge. You don't want to go too far, and as you can see, this screen is just trashed. Split it open. Let me try prying it. Alright, take this tape off. Really good things about this phone is that I promoted doing the self-repair. Google's really not going down that route anymore. They over-engineer everything to the point where they don't want you repairing it. And to me, well, that's not just supposed to pop off like that. To me, I don't like that. I've always been the type of person that if I can fix it, I hate throwing things away. Okay. So now that that's off, there you have it. It's in pieces. I'm gonna have to clean this all off. Might have to go get a scraper. Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, as I was saying, this is one of the easier phones to work on. It kind of goes off of this screen first, and then underneath here you can get to other stuff. I've never really taken it apart, but I'm sure that if you needed to replace a battery, you could do that. This off, but yeah, this is in pretty bad shape. Yeah, you can go sit down, little one.
Are you doing your video?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go grab some alcohol to clean this off.
I can grab some.
Alright, we're gonna start prying away some of this glue. Got some isopropyl alcohol. I'm just gonna try to soften it up. Go the extra mile, throw some extra elbow grease in there, but okay. I'm gonna connect this and see if it turns on. And then if everything goes well, I will apply the new adhesive and get it sealed back up. So I'm gonna take this bad mamma jamma. Let's see. Just take that, put that over there. Okay, it's powering on. I'm gonna get this connection of this little piece put back in. All right. Hold up, hold up. I'm forgetting the adhesive. All right, and before you go and you flip it back over, you want to make sure that you recover this up. So lay that tape down, securing that. Okay, and then you're going to want to put you're going to want to make sure that you put your adhesive, and then you're going to flip it over and rest it on a hard subject, on a hard flat surface for up to about 30 minutes and let that adhesive seal. All right, there you have it. Phone turns on, everything works, and that's it. Pixel screen replacement. All right, just wrapped up the Pixel screen repair, and gotta say, in 2026, do not repair this phone unless you absolutely have to, or just flat out for the love of the game. So it was easy. It wasn't hard. That was the first time I'd ever tore open a phone, and I got out of it unscathed. There were some mistakes. Forgot to put the adhesive down. Was trying to pry open the wrong part of it for the longest time, but at the end, got it done. But could I recommend spending $100+ to repair something that no longer gets security updates? It's dated in its technology. It's not going to be a super good gaming phone unless you're just letting your kids download some apps and play those types of games. But at the end of the day, if you love tearing things apart, by all means, go for it. But if you need it, just buy a used phone. They're selling for anywhere from $60 to $100, which I bought the OLED screen for $106, I think. Now, I could have got a cheaper one. There were some LCD screens that were $35. There was some knockoff OLEDs, but as I mentioned in the video, I trust iFixit. I know that they're going to provide a good quality item, and at the end of the day, they sent me everything I needed. Even though I screwed up on the adhesive, it was all there. So build went well. It was a good learning experience. Like I said, never tore open a phone before, never done any type of repair like that. Let me give you a sneak peek at something that's upcoming. So let me know, everyone. What should I do with this? Should I turn it into a retro gaming PC, a sleeper, or should I just scrap it, tear it apart, sell it for parts? Let me know. While y'all are at it, like and subscribe. So I've got some good projects coming up. This is one of them. I've got another old PC that I'm looking to turn into a server. But yeah, there's big things coming, hopefully soon. But right now, I've got 2 more projects in the books and always looking for something new.